glad you can make it on another one of my Hoover videos. This one today, as promised, is going to be a good one. I hope it's going to be a good one. The Hoover Turbo Power Junior U1222. And here she is. This is another electricity board exclusive. This is for second wave. Like the first wave, the version 1, was a very nice brown and cream colour. Very 80s, very retro. However, this colour doesn't really do all for me. Very bland, very grey. Too much grey, in fact. Pop my brew down, and we'll have a slight look. Okay, starting from the front, still got the same headlight, still got the same carpet adjuster, same bumper guard, although this one says turbo power on the headlight, where the other one, the 1102, just said junior in gold writing. That's yellow. There isn't really much difference between this and the other. Still got your same generic cloth bag, a very lightweight design, cost saving as well. But as we've moved further up, we come to this little device, the Hoover air freshener. Now, the only thing right, sorry about that, don't know what happened there, but we will continue. The Hoover air freshener, as you see there, a little air freshener symbol, Hoover logo, and a slide adjuster which changes the frequency of the smell. Although in my opinion, Hoover's air freshener only had 2 settings, which was off and in your face. I found them to be a bit quite overpowering, but they did the job. Anyway, moving further up, a nice grey handle, moving around the cleaner, cord hook with a quick release. Yep, that works. Power switch. The bag itself is in relatively good condition. Quite a nice pattern. The other thing with this model, again, is missing the cord hook. I think on some Hoovers the cord hook was generally a weakness, as people were pulling the cord a bit too tight, and as pulling it too tight caused the clip to snap. You can buy others, but I tend to find it's a bit of an inconvenience to try and fit them on because they are a bit fiddly. But apart from that, while she's on the floor, she'll turn it over. There goes the remote, and there we go. A relatively decent brush roll. Brushes seem to be fairly good actually. And obviously you've got your carpet beaters. The underside is in relatively good nick. But like I say, the colour of it isn't really that good. Right, that's a general overview of the cleaner from bottom to top. Next comes the demonstration part. See how well it does on this rug. As far as I remember, it does do quite a good job on the carpets. Brings the pile up pretty good. So what we're going to do, stick the normal gubbins down, normal rubbish. Try not to use too much cat litter. One of these days I'm going to ruin one of these things with cat litter. It's not the ideal thing to use. So, dust, paper, cat fur, general odds and sods. Maybe a few things I can find in a kitchen cupboard. I'm not bringing super noodles out of the cupboard. That would be a disaster. And I'm covered in white. Doing a demonstration with dust wearing white. I've only had one coffee. It's early morning, I just don't think. So, are we all ready? We all set? Kettle on? Some popcorn? Well, enjoy anyway. Okay, here we go. This is what we've got. Lots of dust, paper, cat fur. Yes, I know, the occasional bit of cat litter I just get from the bag. But nothing major. I don't think the cleaner can't cope with. So, without further ado, let's go. Right, well, took a few passings, but it seems to have handled pretty well. A few bits and pieces, mainly cat litter, as we all know, that doesn't really go up very well, but it's done a good job, put it that way. I'm quite pleased. Very pleased with the outcome. Well, that's it. That's the first look and demonstration of a Hoover Turbo Power Junior U1222. If you're enjoying these videos and you want to see more, please feel free to subscribe, give them a like, drop me a few comments. I don't mind. It takes me a while to reply, but yeah, I'll try and get back to a lot if I can. But from me and the Junior and my coffee at long last, long time waiting, I hope to see you on my next video. I've really no idea what's next. Probably Panasonic, an early Panasonic MC, maybe. Maybe a celebrity. But who knows. That's what makes it so interesting. You never know what's going to come next. Or what I'll be wearing, in fact. I don't think I'll be doing another demonstration wearing white. If I do, then someone please tell me I'm a complete idiot. That's if I don't tell myself. Well, from me, it's goodbye, and hope to see you on the next video. Ta-ta for now.